Next drive. Boy, I don't even know how to say that. Borgi something. I can't say it. The Afrikaans guys will have to help me with that one. Now I was at this place quite recently. I don't know if it was earlier in this year. I think it might have been with the KTM. I came up this way with my wife to have a look. Oh, that's a nice view coming up around the corner there. That's very nice. I think this is also another opportunity to put a camera down and ride into the view. You don't really always need to put a camera down. Sometimes you just take it as you see it. And the sun has come through for us at the perfect time. Now we're going to go straight here, but we are going to come back and have a look along Black Rocks after this one. I think this is the Diaz cross here. And I have done a video down here before, which I think came out quite nicely. There's a pool or something down the bottom there. And look at that view there. That's really something. I just want to do a park up here and get a photo, I think. Oh, loose sand. Not for the bike, for my feet. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good place to stop. Bit of a lean, but that's okay. So look at that view. Pretty nice. And of course the Gama, it's the Gama. The black one on the other side is the Diaz. I do apologize. Put a nice photo there like that. Again, I'm not going to use my fancy camera, my Sony. I'm just going to use my phone, because for me it's just about location pics today. That's on a 1. I go to a 3, back up a bit, back up more. Lost a bit of the height, but go as high as I can. There we go. That'll do. There's nobody here. Huh. See, this is now a perfect opportunity to put my camera down here, as I've done before, and then just come and right. What's that? No 4x4s. 4x4s obviously going through and around there. That looks beautiful down there. You know, I'm thinking putting a camera there to get that view as you come around. We're just carrying on with the ride like nothing ever happened. There was just a magic camera there by the side of the road. I remember coming here once and being surrounded by ostriches. They just appeared from nowhere. I went for a walk down through that gate. My bike was parked here. I was on a Yamaha XJR 1200, and yeah, I was surrounded by ostriches. Alright, let's just have a little break here. We're now going to head towards Circular Drive. I've got extra batteries today because I knew this would be quite a long video. I still might split it into two though, because there is a lot to see here in Cape Point. Once you're through the gate, I mean, you can spend hours and hours. I got in at 6:10 this morning. It's now 8:25, so I've already been here 2 hours, and I've literally only been to like 3 spots, and I've got another 4 spots to go to. So anyway, I hope you're enjoying this ride. I mean, I am. I enjoy it. I don't do it for subscribers, I do it for myself, and just because I love riding, and I also love the photography side of things and the videography, setting everything up. So this spot here now, where I set the camera up earlier, I'll magically be riding past this even though there's no camera there. So you've got to think a lot of stuff, almost like in a post-production type way. So you've got to know what you want to edit, and then you've got to go and shoot those shots to match your edit. So almost plan everything out before you go. So today's ride is a combination of those things. I'm looking for places that would be, I think, appealing and look good on camera and photographically, and you can't go wrong here in Cape Point. I mean, yo, there's just endless places to come and look and see. Just double check these roads, these little roads. We're coming up to the tourist centre now. So from the road where I just was, I decided to turn left instead of right. This is the Buffelsfontein video visitor centre. Nice indicator. I think it's a taxi and BMW thing, although not BMW bikes, to not indicate. Now, if I remember correctly, there are Circular Drive, there's an entrance and an exit, but I mean, you can go both ways, but I didn't want to go all the way back that side to come all the way around to this side. So I'm just going to go to this side, because nearer this side there's a small road that goes off of Circular Drive, and it goes to a parking lot where I wanted to Buffels Bay is okay. Maybe on our way back we'll stop there. I think this is, oh, that's Diaz, the black Diaz up there. I can't remember, is this the road? This might be the road I'm looking for. Platblom and Diaz. No buses again. Lekker. I've seen quite a few baboons here before, so I doubt they'll be there today. It's too cold today. I I don't know the full history of these things. All I do know is that from the 1800 something they were put here by the Spanish guys as not even 18, that's the years 1488 is when they put this up, and that's basically as a landmark for the ships that were coming in to the Cape. There's two of these. Can you see the, oh, you can see the other one, it's behind me. Let's get off the bike and then I can show you. No, you can't see it. Yes, you can see it. Probably not on the video, but more or less where my hand is the one we just came from. And this one has, if I walk this way a bit, you can see it's painted black. I'm sure somebody, Werner, will probably know why that's painted black on one side and the full history of this thing. If anyone wants to know historical stuff about places like this or riding around Cape Town in general, check out Werner's views or Werner's view. Very interesting stuff. Yeah, so I can't tell you any more about that really. I should know more, but I don't. That's just the way it is. Okay, let's carry on. If it is the road that I'm thinking of, I came here last on my GS 1200. That was the bike before my Triumph 900. So I think it is this road. Yay. I just couldn't remember the name of it. Now it's Platon, something with a P. I'll put it down here somewhere, what the name of this road is. I don't know if you can see on the video, but yeah, it's pretty nice. I've gone quiet because I can see a whole lot of cars and stuff there, so I'm just wondering what's going on. Is it people walking with something? Oh, it's fucking ostriches. They're being chased maybe by people. I don't know why people chase them. Yeah, this is it here. Yo, there wasn't this much sand the last time I was here. The last time I came here I got stuck. So I won't be making that mistake today. Ah, there's some ostriches down on the beach. I'll get my Sony camera out now. Take some photos. Surfer dude. But we can't see him either. It's a pity it's a bit overcast. Well, not a bit, it's a lot overcast. And the last time I parked this bike, not this bike, a bike like this on the sand because I thought it'd be a cool photo, I got into the sand and it just sunk and I just couldn't get out. It looks similar to like that over there. I think someone also thought they'd reverse into the sand and then get stuck. The stuff is like powder. Okay, so what we've done is we've just come back off of platform and we're coming across a bunch of baboons with their babies. Early in the morning forage. So as I was saying, we've just come back off platform. As you can see, the wind has picked up a fair bit, and now heading directly to Cape Point. I think I'm going to go to Cape Point first, and then what's this road? Is this Circular Drive? Is that Circular Drive? Cape of Good Hope Point. Fuck it, missed it. Okay, let's go to the top first and then come back. I'm going to do it in the reverse order of what I wanted to do it now. Roy Guns. I can't remember what's up at Roy Guns.